Woolwich Racing's Logbox V3 interfaces rely on a CR1220 battery to keep track of the time and date of data logs. This battery can become depleted after a few years, and you may notice that the timestamps on your data logs constantly show a date and time of 12 AM on the 1st of January 2000. In this case, you can open the logbox and replace the 3V CR1220 battery, which can easily be purchased from your local hardware store. To do this, use a screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws at the back of the logbox. After they have been removed, carefully remove the back of the logbox casing. Here you can find the battery that is housed inside. Use a small screwdriver to move the retaining clip out of the way and dislodge the battery from the board. Then slide the battery underneath the 2 recesses and push the other side of the battery underneath the retaining clip. Then put the logbox case back on and screw the 4 screws back into place. Now you can plug your interface back into your PC, and in Woolwich Racing Tuned, go to Device Configuration and click the Set Date button to set the current date and time to the interface. Your data logs should now show an accurate timestamp the next time you use engine data logging.